Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this money heist web design using HTML and CSS. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will make a new folder on our desktop. That is new folder, that is money heist, and I have provided the link for this images, but I will show you what kind of images are this. These are basically characters of money heist and some logos and the squad photos of the money heist team. Yes, all the characters, the professor, let's cut it out and let's cut it from here and we'll paste it in money heist folder. So let's open Atom text editor and this will open money heist folder and we'll make a new file that is index.html and a new folder that is CSS. Inside CSS we will make a new file that is styles.css and an index.html. Now let's open Opera and we'll search for Bootstrap. So click on the post result, get started, and we'll copy the starter template from here and we'll paste it in index.html. Let's remove this hello world and we'll change the title to money heist, all caps, and let's link our CSS, custom CSS, comment it out, and we'll link it by link tag CSS styles.css. And let's go to Opera and we'll search for Font Awesome CDN, which will be used for drawing fonts, like using fonts of Font Awesome. It's basically the CDN. We'll paste it here. We'll comment it out as Font Awesome CDN. And yes, here we go. So let's open our Opera and then we'll search for Google Fonts. We will copy some Open Sans condensed. Yes, let's select select this first one, and now second one we'll search for Oswald. Let's select this and we'll select this semi bold one 600, and let's search for another one that is Railway. Let's go with light 300. Let's copy this link and we'll paste it in our index.html. Comment it out as Google Fonts and let's paste it here. Let's paste it out and make our indentations proper. That should look beautiful. And let's go into our body tag and we'll make a new section tag. Then inside section as class, let's give class a header section. Yes, inside section we will make first of all let's go to the components and we'll search, let's go into navbar and we'll copy out this. Let's copy this most basic navbar. We'll paste it here. Yes, and let's make it background dash danger, which is some kind of pink color, maybe maroon or red, which is the color of clothes of money heist characters. So let's navbar dash brand, we will insert the images, which is basically the logo of La Casa de Papel, logo.jpg, and let's remove this disabled one, and the first character will be Professor. You can say whatever you want, and let's copy and paste it n number of times. So the third character will be Tokyo. Let's give it Tokyo, and the fourth one will be Berlin. Fifth will be Rio. Sixth will be Denver. D should be capital Denver, and sixth one will be Helsinki. Below that, Nairobi. And below that, let's make it below that Palermo, and after that last one will be Monica. So new tag, we will make a new div which is class carousel slide, which is basically bootstrap component. I am using it here. Write it on our own. The data right will be carousel and the ID will be carousel example interval. Let's use camel spacing here. Let's insert a new div which has class carousel inner. The inside that will make a new div which is carousel item, and which has one more class which is active, which is basically we will insert 3 slides, out of which this will be active, and we'll make a new data interval property that has 10,000 basically, which will be around 10 seconds I think. Inside that will add a new image tag which is source images pic2.jpg, which is basically this image, and we'll insert class property and which will be d-block and the width will be 100. Below that we'll make a new div which has h1, which has class money heist, like it will be heading of our web page. So below that we'll make a h2 which has class balance, will display in this world everything is governed by balance, full stop. Let's write it here. Line after line break we will write there's what you stand to gain and what you stand to lose. Insert a line break, and when you think you have got nothing to lose, line break, you become overconfident, full stop. And below that we'll make a new div which has class. Let's first go to YouTube and we'll search for money heist. This money heist, and we'll just copy this embed link, pause it, and we'll copy it from here. Copy this out and we'll paste inside this div. Yes. Now let's make the frame width to be 350 pixels and the height to be 196. Yeah. We don't need to write px. It's basically some different kind of measurements I think. And the frame border will be 1. It will look attractive when we will have a border around our YouTube video. Let's copy this out. Yes, copy it. Okay, so let's check our div tags. Yes, below the third div. We copied and pasted it here, and we'll make it, which is basically a second slide. We'll copy it and let's remove this out. Yes, we'll remove this and we'll remove this balance too. We'll change the classes. Just can see that on the screen, and the inside lives class we will write we are all going to die, line break, and I drink to that because we are still alive, line break. Years to life. Yes. Now we'll add para tag to it. Let's remove this balance class. We'll add stars. Inside star we'll press Windows button plus some greater than arrow button, and we'll insert some stars to it. And now we'll search for white star. You can get this from any website. We'll copy this and we'll paste it 2 times here. And the h3 tag, which is class IMDb, we'll write inside with emphasis on IMDb. Yes, below that we'll write h1, which has class million. Inside that we'll make a new emphasis tab which has Money Heist season 4. Then insert a line break. Enter as projected to hit 65 million. After this first div, we'll insert. Let's just check. Let's copy it. Okay. I pasted it here. I'll change the pick 4 and I think everything's fine. I'll just remove this. I'll make a h1 which is class war. This is no longer a heist. Line break. This is a war. War should be in all caps. We'll insert a line break. And casa span tag, inside span tag we write P, and after span tag we write back. So yeah, let's save it, and after that check it out as our dates are proper. Below the section we'll make a new section, that is class, which is box section. We'll insert a 100 width box which will be used to separate them. We'll make a new div box. Background will be danger. We will add an h1 which is class members. Class is the papal score. Yeah. Below this section we'll make a new section which is class card section. Our dev class will be row. Inside that we'll make a new dev, that is column sm-6, column md-4, column lg-4. We'll add style property and width will be 18 rem. After that we'll make add an image tag to it which has source. Let's add source, that is cars. No, basically it will be the class, I think. Yeah, let's control plus X, add an image, add a class to it. Control plus V. Now let's add the source, that is images / professor.jpg, which is our first card. It will be this image. And all will write card image cap. So after that we'll make a new div which has class card, background danger. Below that we'll make a new div card dash body. Inside that h5 which is class card title. Now we'll insert a paragraph tag which is class card text. Okay, it's fine. What we will do is we'll copy this out and we'll paste it for all our characters. I mean for all our cards. It will be showing some intro about our characters. Pasted it for number of times. So now let's go to second one. No, let's make it first one. Yes, not first one right now. Title will be the professor. Text here we are the glue that holds all their highs together. To comma the professor Sergio Martin and bracket. We'll stop. After that we'll make he's the one who started it, the leader of the group, and the mastermind of the heist, and it takes an astonishing amount of brain electricity for such plans. Okay, fine. And the card text will be the professor and Lisbon, formerly Raquel Murillo, would have been a match made in heaven. It's made in heaven under different circumstances. Full stop. Even so, they did manage to start something productive and fruitful. Yes. After that, both of them are established geniuses in their field, with Murillo formerly, yes, being on the other side. Okay, so what I will do is I will write all the cards details and I will come back to you. So yeah guys, I'm back. I written all this for all the characters and I just change all this column empty column large dash 4 to 4 because to large dash 3 because we want 4 cards in one row. So yeah, after Berlin will make a new dev which is fluid container. Inside that will make a new dev. Wait a minute, we'll make a new dev, yeah, which is class row. Inside that will make a new dev which is class column sm-12, column md-6 and column lg-6. Inside that will add an image which has source images pic5.jpg. Class will be pic5. We'll copy this out. Yes, we'll copy this out and paste one more time and we'll remove this image tag and we'll add h1 to it, which is class special. First times are so special, full stop. Unique, comma, but the last times are beyond and beyond comparisons, comma, they are line break and they're priceless, comma, but people don't normally know it's their last time. Yes, full stop. It's basically the dialogue spoken by Tokyo as much as I can remember. I will provide the link in description of all this code, so make sure to visit that. We'll go to and search for this link of this YouTube video and we'll paste it here. We'll remove the width and the height. It's about Nairobi and after Monica we'll make let's add a new video which is song of that series, that is Bella Ciao. We'll click on share, we'll embed and we'll copy this. Now let's paste it here. Yes, let's add tag to it, the 4-second video and Professor Whitey, and the last video let's add tag to it too, which will be Professor Whitey, which Whitey will be basically YouTube, which are our custom classes. After the section ends, we'll make a new footer tag, yes, which has class footer dash distributed and background will be danger, which is bootstrap color. Inside that we'll make a new dev class which has footer left. Inside that we'll make h3 monies, and inside span tag we'll add heist. We'll insert a para tag to it, and let's add class to it, that is footer links. Yes. Now let's anchor tag home. Reviews. Add one more anchor tag. We'll make sure you add one full stop between them. We'll copy this out. We'll add a full stop. We'll paste it here. Full stop, paste, full stop, paste. Make it 2. We'll make it 3. We'll make it 4. Yes. And below that we'll add a para tag that has footer dash company name. Inside that we'll display money heist and copy ampersand copy, which will display the copyright logo basically. After that dev will insert a new dev which has class footer dash center. Inside that we'll add a new dev which has icon tag. Class will be fa dash map dash marker. Paragraph will be Elizabeth Spain. Below that we'll make a new dev which is icon, which is class fa dash. Let's make it phone, and below that we'll add a para tag. Let's add a random number. Don't try calling that number, it's not mine. Let me insert some XX. Let's copy this out and I will paste it here. Now let's change the class fa dash envelope. So href will be mail to, let me cut this out, mail to support @company.com. Let's make it money heist. Money. So after that we will display contact @moneyheist.com. After 2 divs we'll make a new div that is footer dash right. Inside that we'll make a new para tag which has class footer dash company about, and below that we'll add a span tag about the series. Its story about the world's biggest bank robbery. Full stop. Yes. I think we are done with HTML. Let's start with CSS. Body will be overflow X hidden, which is important. Background color will be black. Header section will be, let's skip this overflow X hidden, which is important. Let's make sure it's hidden. The overflow Y will also be hidden because we don't want the header section to be more than 100 view height. Navbar will be position absolute, Z index will be 1, opacity will be 0.5. Navbar brand margin will be 040 pixels, 030 pixels. Color will be white, which is important. Font family will be Open Sans condensed. Let's add semicolon. Font weight will be bold. Enabling will be color white, which is important. Transition will be 0.5 seconds. Let's copy this out and let's paste it here. Let's insert, just to hover. We'll transform it, we'll scale it by 1.2. Our home will be, margin right will be 75 pixels, margin left will be 20 pixels. Characters, margin right will be 20 pixels. Carousel example interval, which is id, height will be 100 view height. Video 1 will be position absolute, z index will be 1. From top it will be 430 pixels, from right it will be 30 pixels. Access the money heist, position will be absolute, from top it will be 240 pixels, from left it will be 10 pixels. Let's give it 100 pixels. Z index will be 1. Font size will be, font family will be Oswald. Font size will be 75 pixels. Text shadow will be 2 pixels 00, hashtag 0, which is basically black color. I will write this out without telling you what I am writing. For text shadow, you can basically use browser for getting these text shadows instead of making your own text shadows. It will make your work easier. By the way, I provided the link in description. You can get all this code for free. Don't need to write all of this. You can get them and you can analyze them, understand them. Access the balance, position will be absolute, from top it will be 340 pixels, from left it will be 100 pixels, color will be white, Z index will be 1, font size, let's keep a font family to Open Sans condensed, font size will be 30 pixels, below that will make a dot live, position will be absolute, from top it will be 450 pixels, from left it will be 50%, and will translate it basically. Translate x minus 50%, color will be white, z index will be 1, font family will be Open Sans condensed, yes. Font size will be 30 pixels, text align will be center. Now let's paste our text shadow which we written above. Now let's access our stars class. Position will be absolute, from top it will be 430 pixels, from left it will be 70 pixels, color it will be white, z index will be 1, font size will be 30 pixels. Dot IMDb position absolute, from top it will be 470 pixels, from left it will be 120 pixels, color will be white, z index will be 1, font size will be 30 pixels, and font family Oswald, and yes, let's paste our text shadow here. We'll access the million class. Let's copy all this. Don't need to write n number of times. Let's make it 430 pixels from left. Let's make it right. Yeah, we want it on the right side, so 60 pixels. And the position will be absolute. Yes. Let's copy this out. Again, paste it here. Remove this first one. From top it will be 450. From left it will be 50%. We'll transform it. We'll translate x to minus 50%. It will make it into the center. Now we'll access var span tag. Span tag of var class. Color will be black. text align, let's make text shadow 2 pixels 0 let me write it. Look guys, it takes me a lot of time to make this websites, and also make sure you like, subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. And we'll access the box class. Margin will be 10 pixels 000. Height will be 60 pixels. Color will be white. Text align will be center. I'll access this column SM-6. Yeah, margin will be from top, it will be 10 pixels. Card text color will be white. Yeah, white. Fluid container. Width will be 100 view width. Pick 5, will accessing the pick 5, it will be 50 view width. Height will be auto, let's keep it auto. Margin will be 20 pixels 0, 10 pixels 0. Access the lot special. Position will be absolute, from top it will be 100 pixels. Font size will be lots, font family will be railway. Color will be white. Font size will be 30 pixels. Transition 0.5 seconds. Padding will be 0.1. Just cancel out the special 0 and then REM. Card is to hover. Transform it, scale it by 1.1. Yes. And background image, which is basically linear gradient to bottom. DC3947, let me write all these colors. We're basically making a shade of colors. It's like from left to right, it's like from top to bottom. Are you understanding me? It's the same. Hashtag B02328, A4 will not answer table 4. Let's make it 2327. Let's cancel out 14. And hashtag 992329. Yes, inside that. Pick 6, width will be 100 view width, height will be auto, margin will be 20 pixels, 0 pixel, 10 pixels, 0 pixels. Next, exit the videos, width will be 50 view width, height will be 50 view height. Yes. Margin, restrict the margin to 20 pixels, 0, 10 pixels and 0. Footer, yes. So what I'm gonna do is, I will skip to the end of the video, because basically the footer section and all this header section have the same theory. They're built on same basis. So yes, here we are. Access the footer distributed and footer left, footer center, footer right. We're accessing at the same time footer left. String the span class. You can get all this from the, I mentioned the link in my description. Max width. So yeah, let's save it. Copy full path. And we'll paste it here. So look guys, it's really looking awesome. We got this hovering cards. Yes, absolutely amazing. Can I play a video? So like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.